Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by eliminating software and simple settings as the cause. Update the controller firmware, and then open the Xbox Accessories app to adjust the stick dead zone and sensitivity. This often removes subtle drift. Once done, power cycle the controller and test in a neutral screen or diagnostic mode so you can see any remaining offset. These steps are fast and reversible, and they tell you whether you need to move on to cleaning or hardware work. You now tackle grime inside the stick housing. Start with compressed air to blow out dust, then remove the thumbstick cap and use a cotton swab lightly dampened with 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean around the pot while moving the stick through its range. This dislodges debris that causes erratic readings. Once done, let everything dry completely. Alcohol evaporates quickly, but moisture is the enemy. Make sure you test after cleaning to gauge improvement before considering opening the shell. You reach the hardware fix, opening the controller to replace the faulty joystick module. Remove torque screws, keep track of ribbon cables and screw sizes, then desolder or unclip the old potentiometer and install a quality replacement module. Many units are plug and play. Once reassembled, recalibrate via the Accessories app and verify in-game. Troubleshooting tip: if drift persists after a module swap, test with a different controller or contact support. Persistent drift can indicate board-level damage or a faulty replacement part.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.